Okay, so we're given a parabola with a turning point. If you have a problem like this that asks you, gives you a parabola, a turning point, another point, and says, show that f of x is equal to whatever. What you'll first want to do is you want to write this parabola over here in the turning point form. So, to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to say f of x is equal to, now a is going to determine how wide our parabola is. So if our parabola starts here and our value for a gets smaller, our parabola might end up here, which is a little bit less happy but still quite a happy parabola. So this value will determine how happy your parabola is. And then you've got your x, which can be shifted. So in this case our x has been moved 2 units to the right. So x over here started here, now it has gone here. Okay, there's our new parabola. X, and then to the right is going to be minus, and then how many units? 2 units. 2, and that is squared. And now if we want to take our parabola and we move it 9 units down to be here, and this one is, then we'll just simply put minus 9. Okay, so once you've got this, you've got the skeleton of your problem. All you need to do now is substitute the point that you have not used into your equation. So the point we haven't used is 0 and minus 5, because as we can see here's 2 and minus 9. That's already been used. So let's use the other point. So f of x is minus 5, that's the y coordinate, is equal to a. X is going to be 0 minus our 2 squared minus 9, and sorry, it's a bit ugly. Okay, so we'll add 9 to both sides, and minus 5 plus 9 is 4, is equal to minus 2 squared is 4 times a. Okay, so we divide both sides by 4 so that we can get a to be the subject of the formula, and we find out that a is equal to 1. Okay, so if a is equal to 1, then we can substitute 1 in there for a. Okay, 1 times anything is still anything, so this 1 is actually just useless. So now we've got our parabola in our turning point form. So to get this into the form that they've asked for, which is f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, what we'll do is we'll simplify. So f of x is equal to, now x minus 2 squared is going to be x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then minus 9 is still there, and then we'll have that f of x is equal to x squared minus 4x plus 4 minus 9 is minus 5. This is our final answer, and if this is the same as this, then we are safe and we've done a good job. Very well done.